Okay, so sorry about the noise. I'm outside at my workbench actually, but okay, here you go. So you pry it apart. You should get this. Here's the other half, and pull this guy out. I'm just gonna pop this grouping right here out. There you go. Should come apart in pieces. You know, you just file down whatever was on here, that all that crap. But anyway, and take this piece with the side that sticks out on the top, and then take this gold looking yellowish color and insert it like that. As you can see, it should stick out a little bit right there. You're gonna take this one, make sure it's the contact side up, and drop it in, hook it onto there, and it'll sit somewhat like that. I'm gonna take this copper little piece. So far, it doesn't really matter what angle you put it in at, but take that guy and take him. It's a bit tricky. Stick it right into that back piece corner. It should come up to like about there. That's that focus. Then you're gonna bend that piece so that it sticks in right there, and then it should be a little bit that just sticks out right there. Anyway, and you just put it back inside, and there you go. And actually, if you bend that copper piece so that there's more resistance, then it should fix the sticking of it. But it really depends.